Everyone's talking about performance. But the real question is, what truly matters today? Is it the force of fresh ideas? Or the depth of real knowledge? Bold innovation? Or the weight of a strong resume? As industries transform and customer expectations hit new heights, every organization stands at a crossroads. What matters more in the race to stay ahead? Two teams? Two mindsets? One defining question? Join the debate. Ideas and innovation or knowledge and resume? What matters more? 25th November 2025, Tuesday, 7 p.m. Voices from Dozen Diamonds unite to explore what truly shapes the future of high performance organizations. Watch the customer service team face off against the sales team as they challenge long held beliefs. Don't just listen, question the answers. Debate link in the description.